Alright, let's just check it out. Was that mango? Whoopsies. Your friends are not food, mango. Oh. He's a color in the show. Captain Olympians, yeah. There we got the. Shoot, that scared me. Joseph's have his back. Hey, how Joy going?
Hello, boys and girls.
It says new. Okay, that was terrifying. Wake up now.
Diego, if you can hear me, destroy Basami. The five.
That was a nightmare right there. You're it?
Bro, there's more cars in here than the other one. Holy.
Yeah. No, not that one. That's that one. Anyway, so we got Diego hides.
Who you talking to? Diego.
Diego calling Morty.
Morty! Where are you?
Because when he goes like this.
Morty!
Wait, that's audio. He goes right there.
Diego? Where are you?
And then I was like,
Diego!
wait. Now.
Morty!
What's up, Morty?
Where are you?
Why is not here? This sucks. Well, Dale, I guess we might investigate to find him. We should go find him. No. Right, that's right, just like how we did that. Let's do it. All right, boys. All right, come on, let's go. All right, come on, guys. Wait for me. Oh. Let's get.